it is a scorching hot day. So I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate refreshing smoothie with some ingredients that are really fantastic to help keep you cool, maintain that regulated body temperature and give you energy throughout the hot day. So we're going to start off in the blender by putting a cup of oat milk, and oats are really calming. They've got a beautiful calming energy, and to that we're going to add half a cup of ice. Oh, absolutely we are, really, to keep us cool. Now if you're thinking about chilling out and keeping calm, what foods do you associate with being cool? Cool as a, that's right, cool as a cucumber. So this is actually fresh from, oh my god, it's fresh from our greenhouse. So I'm going to chop up, that is amazing, I'm going to chop up half a cucumber and pop that in there. Bananas give you amazing energy, high in potassium, so when we're sweating a lot it's replacing that potassium, so we're going to pop in a banana. And mint. Mint is another fantastic plant that keeps us cool. You know, it's like when you brush your teeth you feel cool and fresh, don't you? So we've got a handful of fresh mint. Now added to that we are going to put the All You Need Superfoods Protein Powder Plus. This is the salted caramel variety, which is so tasty. We're going to put a tablespoon of that in, and we're going to add to that a tablespoon of, maybe actually we'll add just a little bit more, why not, it's a hot day, of course, of the All You Need Superfoods. Oh my word, this is going to be amazing. And of course we're going to blend it, pop the lid on, we're going to blend it with some love. Here we go. We don't have smell-o-vision, but it smells amazing with that mint and all those ingredients. Okay, now, oh my word, it's just so cold, it's so beautiful. So here we go, look, there is the smoothie. Oh, have a little taste. That is heaven. That is heaven in a cup, and I'm actually going to put this, keep this cold, in my All You Need Superfood shaker. Because this is going to keep it cold throughout the day. I can sip this throughout the day. I've got a busy day here at HQ. Oh, that is the ultimate refreshing smoothie.